In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a recently sold link. So there's two different ways you can do this. Well, there's actually two different versions of it you can make. So you're going to come into Saved Links under Design Website, and you're going to click on Create Link. And you're going to choose Advanced Search and Next Step. Here you're going to choose your city. So my computer is trying to pre-fill this, so just start typing until it shows up. And then if you have status up here, you would choose the status up here. In this case, we have status hidden up here, but it is down here at the bottom. And so it's depending on your MLS, it would be sold or closed. And in this case, it's closed. So we're going to hit closed. And we're going to hit next step. And we're going to say recently sold homes in Ludlow. So copy that and then paste. I highly suggest putting in your meta tags, description, and keywords if you are doing these. And then we're going to paste it here, center it, change it into a heading 1, and then save and manage. And you can see it's here. So now if I want to make another one, and actually this one, I might actually change the name of this one to just sold, because it is showing all sold homes. So it's not just the recently sold, it's all sold homes. So we'll take that out and then we'll save it. Okay, going back to Save Links. Now we're going to make another one, and this one is going to be recently sold. So we're going to click Create Link, Advanced Search, Ludlow. And this one we're going to change the max day listed. So I'm going to put 10 days. And then I'm going to view the results in a new window just to check it. And there's only really one. So I'm going to update this to 30. And view results. And there's 7. So that's better. You're going to have to play with this because if it's a small rural area, you're going to want to add more larger spread of days in here. And if it's a large area, like let's say it's Nashville, then it would be a less amount of days here. So once you've chosen how many days you want, hit next step, and this one is going to be recently sold. So we'll go ahead and paste that here, center, heading 1, and save, and there you go. Now you have 2 links. This one's going to show the ones that are recent, and this is going to show them all. And that's it. If you have any questions, let us know. Give us a call over at 517-917-0582 or shoot us an email at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.
Yeah, better.